Find two consecutive positive integer, sum of whose square is 365. So it's a pretty simple question. First, figure out what is a consecutive positive integer, write a statement, and write given and try to get an expression. Then compare it with my answer. Please pause the video. Okay, so to begin with, let's make a note on consecutive positive integer, right? So positive integer has to do with 1, 2 till infinity. Consecutive number means one number after another. So let's begin with, let x be the first positive integer, right? And the next, therefore, next number is x plus 1. These are your consecutive numbers. Now let's write the given. The given is what? Sum of, okay, sum of squares of numbers. The squares of numbers is 365. So x plus 1 the whole square is 365. So this is x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 square is equal to 365. So we are looking at, we have used a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now let's simplify this further. 1x square plus 1x square is 2x square plus 2x, and after transposing this it will become minus 365 plus 1 is minus 364 is equal to 0. Now we can further simplify this. What should we do? Divide with, we need to divide with something, and that something will be 2. So we have 1x square plus 1x minus 182, right? Yeah, 1832 into, correct. And that's is equal to 0. Now let's factorize this. Factorize using splitting the middle term. So the product should be minus 182 and the sum should be 1. The two numbers would be what? The two numbers would be, to do that we need to go with this 291 713, right? So here we are looking at positive answer when added, negative answer when multiplied. So one has to be positive, another has to be negative. The bigger number has to be positive because when added it should be equal to a positive number, and the other number, smaller number, will be negative. Plus into minus is minus, and bigger number minus the smaller number is bigger number sign. So it's very clear, it is 14 and 13. Let's know the possibility. So that's how we can factorize. And so we have 1x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 being equal to 0. So we have common x times of x plus 14 minus 13 times of x plus 14 is equal to 0. Why minus 13? How minus 13? 1 into minus 13 is minus 30. Minus 13 into plus 14 is minus 142. So yeah, it makes sense to take out minus 13, and we need x plus 14. So we have x plus 14 as well. So that's how you can figure out that x plus, minus 13 is the common factor. And then, we have one last step. X plus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now we'll find the roots. So the roots are x plus 14 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 14. And the other one is x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 13. The numbers are 13 and 14. Okay. Actually, there's one more possibility, minus 14 and minus 13. But since they're asking positive integers, you end up with the answer 13 and 14. 13 is x, and the consecutive number is 14. Right. So you have to write both. If not, that is wrong. Okay. So you have to go with 13, writing 13 and 14.